console is an operating system window where users interact with the operating system or with a text-based console application by entering text input through the computer keyboard, and by reading text output from the computer terminal. In the Windows operating system, the console is called the command prompt window and accepts MS-DOS commands, while in Linux, the console is referred to as the terminal, which typically accepts shell commands like bash. Windows also has a terminal, known as Windows Terminal, which supports modern shell environments, including PowerShell, Command Prompt, and WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. The console class provides basic support for applications that read characters from, and write characters to, the console. When a console application starts, the operating system automatically associates 3 I/O streams with the console: standard input stream, standard output stream, and standard error output stream. The application can read user input from the standard input stream, write normal data to the standard output stream, and write error data to the standard error output stream.